Good morning. It's bright and early, and I guess contractors are already here. All right, let's go. I am getting ready right now in my bathroom. It's kind of chaotic because we've been in renovations for about 6 months now. Never thought I would say that. Not gonna lie, it's been pretty rough, but I've slowly gotten used to it. I've tried to slowly incorporate more of a routine into my schedule. And so this morning, I actually got to work out, which was really, really nice. We are at the finish line though, because we are almost a week or two away from renovations being done. To explain this situation, Kevin and I actually moved in and we were really, really excited, as you can tell. And we wanted to do everything in the house. So one of the first things that we did was we knocked down this wall and just demoed it ourselves, thinking that the master bathroom would be one of the first projects that we worked on. But then everything ended up piling on. We got really, really busy and never got a chance to actually finish this thing. So that's why you have this here right now. Figured I'd show you my day, what it's been for me the past 6 months, and how it's been like really living in renovations. I will say that at least I finished my room, so that's one thing that's zen for me. 2, the temporary kitchen. So right now we are in our temporary makeshift kitchen. It's crazy to think that we've been literally using this place to eat all of our meals in for the past 6 months, but it's where we spend a lot of our time. I actually ended up getting this microwave from my mom and my parents. Thank goodness they had an extra one because we've been living off of microwavable meals. And I organized this little kitchen. I have my snacks here, like there's noodles, we've got some rice crackers, there's bread. This is our water jug that we use to drink out of every day. And we also have some glass plates that we use to microwave. Down here, we have my green tea that I drink every morning. We have some extra ramen packs. It feels like college days, to be honest. And then down here, I have all of our essentials like condiments, oils, cooking stuff. And we've got a medicine cabinet or a little medicine bucket in the back. As you can see, I have a trash bag right here, and this is where we put our trash. This is where we've been eating our meals. It's just us two. This does come in handy. We have this portable induction stove that my mom let us borrow, and we use it to make soup sometimes, so that's really, really helpful. What I'm gonna do first is I'm gonna make myself some green tea. So, green tea time. For me to make hot water, I could either put it in the microwave, but what I've been really liking is this really cool mug called From Next Mug. It actually heats up your water by itself. So it has a warm, a hot, and a piping here. Okay, so this is my office right now. Oh boy. It's kind of embarrassing to show you this, not gonna lie, but this is just the realistic, unfiltered life of renovations. It's just the name of the game. We technically could, I guess, decorate this space and the other parts of our house, but because the renos have been so expensive and has taken over a lot of our budget, we're gonna have to wait for things and save up for things so we can do it in phases. So here we are. I got my old furniture, my old stuff, and just gonna make do of it while I can until we can get to it. All right, work time. He's having what, a taquito? And I'm having my healthy choice beef and broccoli. And we're in a discussion with my uncle right now because he's trying to get us deals on toilets. This is our life now. We're trying to get this heated, seated toilet with a bidet. So we're trying to nail it. Look at the toilet that we're trying to get. I've never had a bidet before, so that'll be exciting. We talked to one of our friends who lives in Italy, and he was saying that he doesn't understand how Americans don't have bidets in all of their toilets, and he finds us disgusting. And what did he say the word was?
We're savages.
We're savages.
I agree though.
We're savages. So now we're like, okay, well, that's one of the things we have to have at our house. We got to get a toilet with a bidet.
Yeah, you should really clean your butthole with water. It makes sense. Like, if you get poo on your finger, are you just going to wipe it off with a piece of paper?
Evan, we're eating.
I'm just saying. Well, we're talking about toilets, so.
Anyways, yeah, we're just going to enjoy our meal from the comfort of our beautiful kitchen. We only have one more week. I think one more week until they're completely finished. We can finally use a kitchen. I'm really excited. But for now, we'll just take advantage of this place. It's like camping for us.
Yep, almost here. Almost done.
Time for a walk. Kevin and I love to walk around the neighborhood and look at all the pretty houses because there's a bunch of really different, unique houses in the neighborhood. So we just like to look at their landscaping, pull out some ideas. Dang, this front yard is huge. And they keep their grass so green. It's pretty solid. Oh my gosh, this is the kitchen right now. Can you believe it? It is actually coming together and I am stoked. I did not think this day would come. Honestly, it took so long, but now that it's finally here, it almost feels surreal and I'm so excited to start using it. The slab that's gonna come in next week and the flooring, and then I think we're gonna be good to go. And now we're looking at planters at home. Ooh, fancy. Wow, look at all these bar stools that will be perfect for the kitchen. I really like this one. All right, it's time for dinner. What are we getting in here?
I'm having some
You gotta get some miso soup and some salad.
rotisserie chicken.
Sweet. This is where our temporary fridge is, in our temporary living room with our sofas. Leftovers for the win. All right, guys, I am so exhausted from today. I don't know why, but renovations really take it out of you. I think my whole mind is just wrapped up in trying to finish the project. Renovations online may look really cool and glamorous with all the before-after transformations, but it's not that glamorous. It's most of the time really chaotic, really dusty. You don't realize how much it tests your patience. It tests relationships. It tests how much you can live without structure. So it's all been a huge, huge test, but it'll be so weird to wake up one day and not see contractors at the house. I almost feel like I've gotten used to them. I hoped you enjoyed watching the behind the scenes realistic piece of what it's like to really live in renovations. I hope that you also like the transformation because it's so, so close. All right, I'm going to sleep. I'm so tired. I deserve some rest, and I will see you in the next video. Bye. Mwah.